This gluten-free cheese bread will be a huge hit for your breakfast. First, let's crack 3 eggs into a bowl and separate the yolks. The whites will be the base for our cheese bread. After removing the yolks, beat the 3 whites stiff. Once that's done, add a pinch of salt and 100 grams of shredded or grated mozzarella cheese. Also add 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a small amount of oregano, and then we will gently mix everything together. Line the air fryer with parchment paper and use a spoon to place portions of the batter inside. Bake in the air fryer for 4 minutes per side at 200 degrees. Look how delicious this is. This flourless cheese bread is perfect. That's all, my dears. You have to make this at home.